Chemical cocktails are destroying our health and our planet. By releasing untested chemicals and damaging pollutants into our environment, we are creating toxic chemical cocktails that are harming humanity, wildlife, vegetation, our air and water, and especially our children. The testing of 10 umbilical cords detected a total of 287 industrial chemicals. Approximately 310,000 U.S. children between ages 1 and 5 have blood lead levels above CDC's safe level. The reason is that industries release 21 billion pounds of chemicals directly into our environment every year. 4.5 billion of these chemicals are known carcinogens. This recipe for disaster affects everyone, especially future generations. 7 new chemicals are introduced every day, adding up to over 2,500 per year. 85,000 chemicals are now registered for commercial use in the USA alone. Shockingly, 60,000 of these have never been fully tested. The long-term effects are frightening. The EPA is backlogged and lacks the resources to review even the most dangerous chemicals. Under a landmark congressional bill, it would take centuries for the EPA to test the accumulating toxic cocktails. The EPA couldn't even ban asbestos, a known carcinogen that still kills 15,000 people each year. Chemical cocktails are key factors associated with habitat collapse and are now found in the remotest regions on Earth. 3 or more toxic chemical combinations have been discovered in 1,600 rivers and groundwater sites across England. Pollution in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Iraq, and China is out of control. There are over 700 known dead zones in oceans and lakes across our planet. You might think governments would carefully review every chemical for safety. They do not. Chemical cocktails cannot be eliminated by studying single contaminants. The combinations are too complex for water treatment plants, current testing methods, traditional statistical models, and for our body's reproductive organs and immune systems. Meanwhile, mystery illnesses, chronic fatigue, diabetes, strokes, kidney and prostate disease, cancer, heart disease, obesity, stress-related disorders, dementia, mental health crises, and pharmaceutical drug abuse are on the rise. Sperm counts, female fertility, and reproductive health are steadily declining, while premature births, miscarriages, low birth weight, stillbirths, birth defects, hormone disruptions, learning disabilities, and autism are increasing. Not factoring in cancer and other diseases, at least 13 million silent deaths a year are attributed to environmental pollution, and that exceeds any other recognized risk factor. Chemical cocktails pose one of the greatest threats to humanity. Ironically, self-poisoning is also the greatest preventable form of mortality. Unless we act now, millions more will get sick needlessly or die. Help make the world healthy again. Pass this video on. Let's build global awareness. Vote for ironclad regulations and create agencies free from corporate lobbyists that will work towards a toxic-free environment. In the meantime, do yourself, your friends, and your loved ones a favor and read Fasting Firepower. Fasting Firepower is one of the most insightful books ever written on fasting and detoxification, combining science, history, spiritual wisdom, and over 50 years of personal experience. Fasting Firepower adds a compelling summation of what we are being subjected to by the food, beverage, chemical, and drug conglomerates and provides genuine solutions. No one should lead a debilitated life for lack of this vital information. The straightforward answers may surprise you, challenge you, and help free you from the ravages of chemical cocktails, and quite possibly save your life. What holistic practitioners are saying. Fasting firepower is a remarkable gift to humanity. This outstanding resource should be required reading in every classroom. Marjan has thrown a life preserver into the turbulent sea of sickness. Available on Amazon.com. All profits will be used to buy more books and given away to those that can't afford them.